the yellow dot. Touch, can you spot the yellow dot? Touch the orange squares and look for the yellow dot. Touch it when you spot it. Spot the blue dot. Touch, can you spot the blue dot? Touch one of the red dots and see what happens. Touch the blue dot when you spot it. Spot the orange dot. Can you spot the orange dot?
The orange dot.
You have to look for it.
Spot the brown dot. Can you spot the brown dot as it shoots across the screen?
Where's the brown dot, Mama?
Spot the black dot. Touch the screen to see the hidden black shapes. Touch the black dot when you find it.
Little black dot. Little black dot.
Hang on. There you go.
There's a horse.
Spot the Dot by David A. Carter.